Okay, so number one, does curriculum mapping help a teacher understand to accomplish within the period of time? Yes, because it helps teachers understood what has been taught in a class, how it has been taught, and how learning outcomes were assessed, and it will serve as your guide in teaching. Number two, is a curriculum map a permanent document? No, because it is revisable. Teachers has the right to make curriculum map. Number three, can a curriculum map help explains the parents what their children are learning in school? Definitely yes. It can enlighten the parents regarding the educational experiences such as the knowledge and competencies of what will learn their children in school. It will serve as their basis or proof if their children learned a lot. Number 4. Is a curriculum mapping a task of only one teacher? Yes, especially for a single teacher to create a curriculum map for the subject and the grade that they teach. Okay, so number 5, last number. Can a curriculum map as a tool be used in instructional supervision? Yes, especially in making decisions, aligning a curriculum, and as a future educator, curriculum map makes it easier for you to teach because you have guided already. So all you need to do is to facilitate your learners and follow what are the guidelines written in a syllabus or in a modules. So that's all. Thank you.